Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll just do this. Okay guys. So guys, today is the hurricane of the whatever it's called. In Ireland there's a hurricane coming and literally it's like an island on the ocean, so huge a hurricane. There was one like 13 years ago. There was one 50 years ago. And how do I know? Anyways, I'll show you how it looks like. I've been just watching some videos. I'm just gonna go on Google and search live. Whatever is it called? It's called like something, but I forgot. I'll just say work live or TE work life. Yeah, work life camera. Let me see. Q. Hurricane in Ireland. Okay, so I'll show you the news. Oh my god, my nose. Hurricane, that's a very different name. How is it impacting on your area? Has hit on predicted to be one of the worst storms we have seen in more than 50 years. My camera doesn't let me record it. I was trying to go to the camera wasn't letting me. Live fella. Okay. 17 meters. So, okay, I'll just tell you the stuff so far. Okay, so this is where I live here. I live somewhere here about. So I live here in the middle. Like here where the orange part is. So where do I? Oh, it's the red part. And I don't understand what is this. Purple is the baddest, isn't it? You can see 90. What is red? Only 80 miles per hour for us. But over here, it is 90 hour, 90 miles per hour. Okay, so I live in basically the west. This is England, wherever it is. I don't know where it is. This part is gonna hit you tomorrow. I don't know if this is England. You know, that's the sound. I don't know, maybe. Okay. Okay. Live. I need to go live. Live. First get a fellow live. Okay. Okay, so in 1 hour, it's gonna hit us. I'll just tell you when, where, when. Okay, oh fella. Oh my god. So guys, now I'm gonna show you some of the how it's this one. I mean lightning and the thunder and then come on. YouTube. Should I go on YouTube and say that? I don't know that actually Ireland had a hurricane before. Okay. Okay. Okay, first one, this is like the most best to watch. Wait. Yes, I'll just show you this thing here. Yeah, anyways, I'll just play the video. There was one there. There's another one gonna be right now. And there's gonna be another one sitting here somewhere. There's one there. It would be so freaky to watch that. Just like watch it. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, shoot, I hear it. Wait. What? That's just this. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. Oh my god, that. Did you hear that? Oh, come on. How is Florida gonna hit? How is Hurricane Ophelia gonna hit Florida? That's category 4. Oh my god. That's 2 weeks ago. Oh my god. Let's just watch this.
Storm way out in the Atlantic. You know, we have a tendency to look closer to home this time of year, but this one is way out there. This is Ophelia, and it is not near any land at the present time, 785 miles southwest of the Azores. We're seeing it actually move in a southeasterly direction at about 6 miles per hour. The winds are up from earlier advisories, 60-mile-per-hour winds now, and so we are getting closer and closer to hurricane strength. And in fact, Ophelia is forecast to become a hurricane. But look what it's going to do. It's going to initially continue to move off toward the southeast, but then make this turn off toward the northeast and even move closer and closer to Europe, maybe even affecting the Azores somewhere along the way with wind and waves and rainfall. We'll be watching. That's really the closest land to it for any immediate.
Whoa. So it's going to hit Lee, Gert, Joe, Maria, Irma, Nate, Harvey, Ophelia, and Franklin. And Maria. Wow, that's a lot.
Future. But I tell you what, Ophelia would be the 10th hurricane in a row if it becomes a hurricane that we've had. It all started back here with Franklin making landfall there in Mexico. And of course, we had Harvey, Nate, and Irma making landfall in the United States. Maria devastating Puerto Rico. So 9 hurricanes thus far. That's the most since 1893. The record is 10. That happened 3 times. 1878, 1886, 1893, and maybe in 2017 as well. We'll watch and see. As I mentioned, it's the time of year when we see tropical cyclones form back toward the Gulf of Mexico, back toward the Caribbean, and off the southeastern.
Okay, so anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye bye guys, bye bye.